If you're using an iPhone but not taking advantage of the Shortcuts app, you are seriously missing out. In this video, I will show you 5 powerful shortcuts that can save you time every single day, and I will walk you through exactly how to create them step by step. Let's jump right in. You're going to love the 5th one, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's start with a super useful one, a morning routine shortcut. First of all, open the Shortcuts app. Now tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap on the search field, search for weather, and tap on the get current weather action to add it. Next, tap on the search field again and type show and add this action. Then select weather conditions for this action. Now tap on the search field again and type calendar. Then choose get upcoming events. Again, add the show action and select events on it. Now tap on search again and this time type open app and select it. Tap on the word app and choose any app that you want to see in the morning. For example, you can open Safari, YouTube, Mail or any news app. You can add multiple apps here if you like. Once you are done, tap on the drop down arrow at the top. Tap rename and call it good morning. Then hit the done button. Now with just one tap, your iPhone will show your weather, your schedule, and open your favorite apps. You can run this shortcut from anywhere you like, including the lock screen, control center, home screen, and more. Enjoying the video so far? Then consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us a lot. Next is something I personally use all the time, a quick note shortcut. This shortcut lets you create notes from anywhere on iOS. To create it, open the Shortcuts app, tap the plus icon again to create a new shortcut, then tap on the search field and search for ask for input and select it. You can tap on the prompt and change it to something like type your note. Now tap on search again and search for notes. Here, find and tap on the create note action. Then tap on contents and next tap on select variable. Now tap on ask for input. You can also tap on the folder option and select a folder where you want to save your new notes. Now tap on the drop down button, rename it to quick notes and return. Now whenever you run this shortcut, you can instantly type something and it gets saved to your notes app. Next shortcut lets you open multiple apps at once. This one is perfect if you always open the same apps every day. To create it, open the Shortcuts app, create a new shortcut, and tap on search. Search for open app and select it. Then tap on app, choose your first app, for example Safari. Now tap on add action again, search for open app, and add another app. Select your second app, maybe YouTube. Repeat this step for as many apps as you want. Once done, tap on the drop down button, rename it to something like daily apps and hit return. Now when you run this shortcut, your apps will open one after another automatically. Now let's take advantage of the automation features of the Shortcuts app. We will create a new automation that will turn on low power mode on your iPhone as soon as its battery drops below 30%. At the bottom, go to the automation tab. Tap create personal automation. Scroll down and tap on battery level. Now drag the slider to 30% and select falls below 30%. Make sure to select run immediately. Now tap on the next option. Search for low power mode and add this action. Make sure it says turn on. Now tap on the done button. Now your iPhone will automatically turn on low power mode when your iPhone's battery drops below 30%. The next shortcut will turn your screenshots into PDF. This one is really useful if you deal with documents or screenshots all the time. Create a new shortcut, tap on the search field and search for wait action. Now enter the time it would take you to access the document you want to save as PDF. The shortcut will take an automated screenshot, so make sure you give yourself enough time. Now search for take screenshot action and add it to your shortcut. Next, search for make PDF and select it. Now tap on the search bar again and search for save file and add it to your shortcut. You can choose where to save the PDF file, like iCloud Drive or on my iPhone. Now tap the drop down button, rename it to screenshot to PDF and tap done. Now whenever you run this shortcut, it will wait 3 to 5 seconds, take a screenshot, turn it into a PDF and then save it to the Files app. You can also enable this in the share sheet, so whenever you run this shortcut, you can instantly convert it into a PDF. So these are the 5 simple but powerful shortcuts that can save you time every single day. Once you start using the Shortcuts app like this, your iPhone becomes way more powerful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.